Hello family, we are now in the city of Menlo Park. We are doing some stucco repairs on this house. The contractor put all new windows all around the house, and we're doing the paper and lath now. So one of the main things, get a little closer, we want to make sure that we connect with the old paper, right? This is the old wire, and we put in new style wire. This is called Stucco lath. We put in staples, caulking, making sure that it's not gonna leak. That's one of the main concerns when we're doing the stucco repairs. We're also doing all this whole section. They're gonna be fixing the deck. We're connecting all the new overlapping. But yeah, so once we pass inspection with this for paper and wire, we're gonna come back and do the stucco patch. All right, thank you.